Hello friends, today we will discuss about Sun in the 5th house of Taurus ascendant. Before we begin, some people had asked me their queries about what is the Sun sign and what is the Moon sign. What happens is that wherever Sun is placed in a horoscope, you see the number which is written there, and that is the sign, that sign is called the Sun sign. For example, in this case, Sun is placed in this house, in the 5th house, where number 6 is written. So 6 is the sign Virgo. So the Sun sign of the person will become Virgo. Similarly, if Sun is placed in this place where number 11 is written, 11 is the sign Aquarius. So the Sun sign of the person will be called to be Aquarius. Similarly, it goes for the Moon sign. Wherever Moon is placed, that sign will be known as the Moon sign. Coming back to Sun in the 5th house. This is a very good placement because Sun is the lord of the Kendra house or the central house, which is the 5th house, and Sun has moved to another good house, which is a trine house or a trikona house as we call. So this becomes a very good combination for the horoscope. The 5th house represents our children, the first child specifically. So Sun, being a male planet, will give his blessings for the person to have a male child. However, because Sun is a hot planet, it projects its heat on the house, and so there may be issues in the birth of the first child or during the first pregnancy. The 5th house also represents our intelligence. And Sun is a source of light. So Sun throws its light on the intelligence of the person. It brightens up the intelligence of the person, and person will become very intelligent, so much so that he will go to highest levels of education, such as going to IITs, etc. The 5th house is also the house of our speculations. So the person here would want to speculate, especially the speculation can be in property or vehicles. The 5th house also shows our tendency or inclination towards going out, enjoying ourselves, having pleasures and amusement. So the person having the Sun in the 5th house would want to go out and enjoy himself, especially he may want to go to hills and jungles. He would be fond of going to places of amusement like opera, music houses, cinema, theatres, banquets, and all these type of things where he can get amusements. Sports is also a form of amusement, and this person will also be quite fond of sports. The mother of the person having the sign of Sun, Leo, in the 4th house will have a lot of confidence and will have authoritative voice. During the period when Sun will be active, the mother will become attached to her relatives, and she may want to earn more money during this period, increase her bank balance, or may acquire some kind of jewelry during this period. The first child of the person, when the Sun is active, the first child is likely to go abroad or likely to fall ill. It could also happen that the child becomes slightly secretive or has disturbances in sleep. For the father of the person, this combination will indicate that the father of the person will have some kind of troubles, setbacks during this period. He may become argumentative. At the same time, the father of the person will also go on religious trips, may have long travels, especially related to religion, and may have some changes in his job or some other changes in his life. For the person himself, the person will be very religious and of a very good nature. He would like to take care of people all around him. However, please check the placement, position and strength of Sun here, and if there is any malefic influence, especially if there is a malefic influence from Saturn in the 3rd house, then there could be issues for the children or regarding the children. To get best effects of sun in this placement, since the placement already is very good, remedies of sun by itself are not required. However, to get better results from sun, we must pray to the Lord Sun and do Surya Namaskar in the morning. Also, having our kitchen on the eastern end of the house will be auspicious for this person. That's all about sun in the fifth house. See you next time. Thank you.